it's workout 2 already. Okay, now although it's a full body workout as usual, today you are going to be focusing on your pulling technique. You should have gone through all the assessments and worked out which progression works for you. Do not worry about numbers. The rep value will increase over time. If you choose to recycle this program, you can work through other levels of progression. Okay, don't forget to share your comments in the course comments below. Share your progress, share your frustrations, share other things that you've found worked for you and how you're feeling. Become the inspiration for people just like you. Okay, work hard and I'll see you tomorrow.